Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to use Edit Views tool. Let's try it together. Enter the Design tool. Select the drawing in the left column. Click on the construction drawings to enter the drawing page. Then click Edit Views in the upper left corner. Part 1. View List. The views in the list will be generated based on what is covered in the project. The default includes renovation sheets. Click the Expand All or Collapse All button in the upper right corner. You can expand or collapse the view list with one click. Part 2. Real-time linkage of views and projects. When you move the model position in the view in the upper right corner, you will find that the model legend in the drawing has also changed. Part 3. Add view annotations. In floor plan views, it supports Auto Annotate, Dimension Annotate, Text Annotate, and Clear Annotate. Function 1. Auto Annotate. When you click on Auto Annotate at the top, dimensions will be automatically generated in the drawing. Function 2. Dimension Annotate. Dimension Annotate is categorized into linear and aligned annotate. When you use linear annotation, it measures the vertical distance between 2 points. When you use aligned annotate, it measures the straight line distance between 2 points. Function 3. Text Annotate. Text Annotate can customize editing text information. Click to generate product information. Room information, and custom furniture information. In elevation views, the elevation view requires the elevation marks to be placed in the floor plan to regenerate the elevation view. In the top toolbar, select Generate Views, Elevation. There are 2 ways to place elevation markers here. Method 1. Click Auto Place in the top toolbar. Then you will see new elevation index icons generated in the drawing. Method 2. Click Manual Place in the top toolbar. Then click to place the elevation icon in the direction you need. After placement, you can click Generate in the top toolbar. Then the new elevation view will be generated. That's all. Thanks for watching.